A proposition. A proposition is a declarative statement that can either be true or false. Take note of this. And it can be both true and false. We use variables to represent proposition like small letter p, small letter q, and small letter r. Now, truth value is the value of a proposition that can either true. If it's true, write big letter T. If it's false, write big letter F. Now here, we're going to identify which of the following is a proposition. If yes, determine the truth value. Number 1. 3 is a prime number. Is this a declarative statement? Yes, this is a declarative statement. In this declarative statement, can't be either true or false. So, therefore is proposition. Now, what is the truth value of proposition? 3 is a prime number, and this is true. We can also write this as P. Represent this. 3 is a prime number. Okay, number 2. 7 is an even number. So, you are declaring that 7 is an even number. This is a declarative statement. Now, in this statement also can't be either true or false. So, therefore is proposition. But, what is the true value of here? 7 is an even number? No. So, this is false. Look at number 3. This is a beautiful house. But before that, you can write Q. 7 is an even number. Now, this is beautiful house. You are declaring, right? This is a declarative statement. But this kind of statement can't be true and false. Because when you say beautiful, it might be beautiful for you. But for others, it's not beautiful. So, this is not a proposition. Because this one can't be true and false. Number 4. Eat your breakfast. This is not a declarative statement. This is command. So, this is not a proposition. Should I call or text you? This is an interrogative statement or sentence. And this is not a proposition. Number 6. Jose Rizal is our national hero. So, you are here declaring that Jose Rizal is our national hero. And this can either be true or false. Therefore is proposition. And now, what is the truth value? Is Jose Rizal is our national hero. Yes, so that is true. So, that's how you're going to identify if it's a proposition or not proposition. And the truth value, write T if it's true, and F if it is false.